can always see the name. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're actually going to be getting into some items that I've picked up during this past month. Honestly, I did record an unboxing a little while ago, but I had a memory card that actually broke on me with a couple videos on there. That's tough. And one of the videos that I did record was an unboxing where some of these pieces were in, so they might be missing out of the package. There might be some stuff that just looks like it's a little bit dated. I do apologize for that. I honestly have enough items to do 2 unboxings, but I'm gonna try and sort them out accordingly so I can have 2 for you guys since Supreme is almost ending. But if you do end up enjoying this video, leave it a like down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and want to enjoy more of this type of content. Let me know what kind of videos you would like me to make as well. Please go check out my room tour. It's gonna be linked either at the top of the description or the second link on the description. It's gonna say room tour, watch it, or something like that. Once that video gets to 1,000 likes, we will do a giveaway for you guys, but there is also another giveaway in this video, so stay tuned. But without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So there's honestly one item in this video that I've been waiting to release for ever so long, and I might be a little bit biased, but it is a release from my homie over at Ghetto Echelon. This is made by the same owner of Project 88, which is my homie. Honestly, I've been waiting for this to release right here for ever so long, and it finally did. This right here is a twist on an item that we see on a day-to-day basis. Right here we got this Yankee hat with like a halo on it. Dude, this shit is so clean. Like, this is gonna be my new everyday hat. This is like an amazing twist on what is the Yankee hat. You got the Yankees logo, which is my favorite baseball team, with the halo over it. You got the G era on the side right there, the Ghetto Echelon logo on the back. Then on this side it does say Paradise. Bro, he killed it with this hat. It's also in the black colorway. And another crazy thing about this New York Yankees hat right here is the fact that I've been thinking about buying just a plain Yankees fitted. So this right here, bro, it's a must in the collection. Make sure you guys go ahead and check them out. And no, this is not a paid promotion. When your homies have a brand, you gotta go and pay. You're not supposed to just get a freebie. If you really do support, go ahead and buy it. It definitely means more. All I'm gonna say is, if y'all get tired of this hat, I'm sorry. This is my new everyday joint right here. Yo, I need more colors. Trey, make more colors, bro. This shit is fire. You even got the gray brim. I'm gonna stop talking about it, all right? Second up, we got the Supreme Don't Cry hoodie in the ash gray colorway. You got that logo right there that says Supreme. I honestly don't know why they connected it like this. They should have just left it plain like that, like the actual box. But it still does look fire nonetheless. You got the simplicity on the front. Then when you flip it to the back, that's where the magic is. It says a whole bunch of shit on the back. I'm honestly not gonna read it, but if you want to see what it says, just pause the video. But that's what it says right there. This is definitely a fire piece. This is probably like the only hoodie I bought this season, and it couldn't have been a better one. I love this color. I love the hoodie. Honestly, I was going for the black colorway, but I feel like I got a couple black hoodies already, so it's kind of perfect that I picked up this color. And honestly, bro, you cannot go wrong with this right here. You got the bunch of shit on the back, and then the simple Supreme logo on the front, just how I love it, honestly. But second up, we had the Supreme Don't Cry hoodie. Next up, we actually got an item that I should have never paid resale for, but I did just because I wanted to display it, and it is this Reese's Travis Scott cereal right here. I honestly love Reese's cereal, so the fact that he made this is honestly crazy to me. It says I went to the store and all I got was this cereal box, which is crazy. It does say Astro World. It does say special edition Reese's Puffs right there on the side with the Cactus Jack right under it. You got more Travis Scott branding on the front as well. You got him saying La Flame on the front type shit. We got the family size one, and I honestly paid more than I ever should have for this. I paid like $9 or $10, which is honestly crazy that Travis Scott got cereal reselling out here. That's honestly insane, bro. But we did get the Cactus Jack Travis Scott Reese's Puffs, which is not bad. I'm gonna probably throw that back there somewhere just so you guys can, you know, see it a little bit. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna just slap it back there just for the display. That's honestly the only reason I got this. Next up, we actually got some blessings from B5 New York. They always show love to the channel, so when they said that they were sending some more stuff, hey, I take it with open hands, bro. Honestly, these were the first people to ever show love to my channel when I had barely any subscribers. They were the first people that reached out. But right here we got 5 t-shirts and a hoodie. I'm gonna show you guys these quickly because it will take a lot of time if I don't. Right here we got this graffiti print, which is honestly lit, bro. I love this right here. I love graffiti, if you guys don't know, and this is honestly a fire piece. I feel like I would actually wear this, and it looks simple. It actually says Boogie Down Bronx Crazy or something like that. I honestly don't know exactly what it says, but it says something and it's fire. This is the first tee right here. The second tee we got is this Bed-Stuy Track and Field Hurdles shirt. What I do like about this brand is that they're completely based in New York, and I'm honestly born and half raised in New York. This is fire to me. I love this tee right here. He's basically just hopping the train. You already know how that goes. If you do reside in New York, half the people pay for the train, half don't. We got another tee right here, which they blessed it. Major shout out to Borough 5 New York. I'm also gonna link them in the description if you do want to go ahead and check them out. But we do have another tee right here, which is the Gun Hill Road, and it kind of looks like he's jumping off of a ledge into another building. That's honestly some super parkour shit. I feel like this is fire, and I love the fact that all these tees are black so far because I love black t-shirts. Like, you can never go wrong with a black tee, and this is another fire tee right here. We also did get some Borough 5 stickers and a magnet, which is definitely going on my fridge. This is hard. We got another tee right here, which is the traditional Borough 5 NYC tee. I feel like all these shirts are fire because it's graffiti and you can just relate to it. I love graffiti shirts and graffiti sweaters. Honestly, when Supreme did the tag logo, that was one of my favorites. I do really love their pieces. But there we got the Borough 5 tee, and we got one more shirt right here. Then we got the sweater. Yo, they blessed me this time around like crazy. We got this last shirt right here, which does say I spray paint New York. That's so fire, bro. This is probably one of my favorites. I love this one and the other black and gray one. This one's fire, bro. It does say I spray paint NY right there, which I do really love. Major shout out to Borough 5, honestly, bro. I appreciate you guys over there for always showing love. We also do have this last piece right here, which should be a hoodie if I'm not mistaken. We got this camo hoodie. Yo, the quality on this is crazy. This is definitely getting thrown on today. Cannot go wrong with the camo hoodie. I've honestly haven't had one in a minute. Got the slightly oversized fit on the hoodie. This is definitely a must. Once again, major shout out to Borough 5 for hooking it up with this bundle of stuff. I really appreciate you guys, like I said before, but go ahead and check them out. They will be linked in the description. Once again, shout out to Borough 5. Next up, we actually do have this box right here, which I got a couple weeks ago at this point. I think like a week or two, and y'all can see the 350 boy right there on the front. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this open, let this drop to the float, and right here we got the 350s and probably what is my favorite colorway so far. I'm not gonna lie, this is the one that I need. I don't care about any other 350 because I have these right here. It is the triple black 350s. I'm gonna go ahead and pop these out for you real quick. These are definitely fire. I don't know what it is about these, but they look smaller than the other 350s that I do have. It's maybe just the colorway, but they look so clean. You got the reflective on the laces, which is what I like. I don't like the whole shit being reflective. New design on the 350s. If you guys have seen, I only have the blue tints and the zebras, so the fact that I got the 2.5s, the Yeezy 2.5s right here is definitely a vibe. Are these the best 350 V2s that have released? Let me know what you guys think down below. I feel like it's either these or the colored stripe ones that he dropped like 2 Thanksgivings ago. I can't wait to beat these to the ground because they won't even look beat, and that's what I love about them. This is a fire pair of sneakers, bro. These are going straight to the toe box. I've noticed that some Yeezys don't have the pull tab and some do. These are like the Pirate Blacks where it has the red stitching on the pull tab right there. As you guys can see, this is a close look. I'm pretty sure you guys are tired of seeing these shits. I know, but it's still fire because I have them this time. Definitely for the personal. Most of my sneakers that I buy are for the personal. My favorite pickup this whole video, besides this hat, like come on bro, that's all we need. These are going for the feet. I need to go ahead and lace them. If you guys want a lacing video on the Yeezy 350s, I know people have done them before, but I do have kind of a little method or hack so that they're not super crazy laced. Let me know down below and I will make that for you guys. But once again, Yeezy 350 V2s in the black colorway. Next up, we actually have this package right here, which came straight from a Poro brand. Hey, they support the channel a lot too, and I'm not gonna lie, we do have a giveaway coming for you guys right now. If you guys do want a chance to win one of these necklaces that I got last time from them, you can go ahead and just subscribe to my channel, subscribe to Aporo, follow them on Instagram, and we will be giving away one of these necklaces in the silver colorway. But right here, they did send me 2 packages. As you guys can see, it does come in this Aporo jewelry box. Inside that, they do send like a little dust bag, a little Microsoft fiber towel. In here, we do have the gold bracelet. I do already have the gold chain. We got the gold one, which is another fire piece. Now I actually have the set for the silver one, and I have the set for the gold one, which is perfect. Whenever I want to pop out with the silver, I got the set, and whenever I want to pop out with the gold, I got the set. I'm normally a silver type of person. That's why we're giving away the silver necklace. If you guys do want the gold one instead of the silver, just let us know and we'll give you that colorway instead. But we are going to be giving away this, and I also did get another piece from them. This is my first time ever getting a ring. But I said screw it, let's go ahead and get a pinky ring. Right here we got the little pinky ring to match the bracelet and the necklace in the silver. I feel like it's pretty clean. It honestly does not fit my other fingers, but it is a pinky ring anyway. This is for the pinky anyway. I just feel like it gives you a little bit of a flare on the fingers. I can't wait till all this shit turns real diamonds. That is coming in the future though, but for right now, we're gonna have to make it do what it do. And major shout out to Aporo. I already gave y'all the instructions for entering the giveaway, but we do have one more piece, and then we're gonna get straight up out the building today. Right here we have the last item for this unboxing, and this item right here I did get for my birthday, which is a little while ago at this point. But major shout out goes out to Fran Leslie for actually buying me this jacket right here. Yo, I've been wearing this shit for a minute. This is a FTP jacket, which is a little bit oversized, just how I like it. You got the blues on the side right there. I don't know if the video is a great representation of the color, but this is fire nonetheless. I do love the fact that it got the FTP patches on the sleeve. That's actually pretty fire in my opinion. You got the little kangaroo pocket in the front. It's like a long collar jacket as well, so it goes high up right here, which I really do love a lot. Honestly, go subscribe to her channel. She's been helping me a lot lately, and it really does mean a lot. But we got these gray patches on the top. You got the little gray patch right there with the blue. I just feel like the colors on this are impeccable, and I honestly have worn this shit a couple times by now, but I never officially introduced it, so I'm gonna go ahead and include it right here. This is a fire pickup nonetheless. I do love the purple blue that it has because it's a different tone of purple blue. I don't know how to explain it, but it is clean in my opinion. This is the back right here. On the back, you do have the patches on both sleeves, and that's pretty much it, bro. Honestly, let me know if y'all enjoyed this video by slapping a like on it. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click those post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. I'm gonna need y'all to go ahead and check out my room tour. That's honestly my priority because I've been trying to show you guys this video for so long. Get that video to 1,000 likes and we will do another giveaway. But for now, make sure you enter the Aporo giveaway by liking my room tour video, subscribing to this channel, subscribing to Aporo, following them on Instagram, and you will have a chance at winning this necklace right here, either in the silver colorway or the gold colorway, one of your choice. That pretty much does it for this video. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want